Hello and namaste to all the wonderful people out there. This is Neha, and I hope you all are keeping safe and having a good time with your family. Welcome back to another episode where I will be taking up the questions and doubts about the twin flame journey. Let's get started and pick up today's request. Our requester is keen to know, can I tell my twin flame or to one of my friends that I am on a twin flame journey, or should this be kept as a secret? Well, this is a very common question for those who have experienced unbelievable experiences while being on their twin flame journey. So, I will try to answer and hope it will give you some insight. First of all, ask yourself why you actually want to share your personal experience with anyone. Are you looking for some kind of validation or trying to prove that you are not going crazy and it is just an illusion? This is something that you must decide on your own because you know about your journey and your experiences. And it is entirely up to you with whom you want to share your divine experience. Be mindful that in today's world, not all will believe you and may not understand what you are going through. The reason I am saying this is because people may be judgmental of your experiences and might not relate it with the turmoils that are going within you. Seek for these answers first. If you're looking for any kind of emotional support, which is quite possible with all those heartbreaking events happening in a twin flame's life, then I would highly recommend you to try meditation. It will surely help you ease your journey. Whatever questions are bothering you, somewhere inside your head, try to seek answers for them, but from the right source. When I say the right source, here on the twin flame journey, the source is the universe. The validation or the kind of support you are presently looking for by sharing your part of the story with your friend or your twin flame, let me tell you that nobody would be able to validate your journey for you. Either you or the universe will do it for you. The foremost thing on the twin flame journey is to trust the process and trust the undying and unconditional love that you feel for your twin flame. Be in sync with the universe by talking to it, and it will always guide you in the right direction. If you try and look for the spiritual ways, you might get all the answers you are looking for, which you or any of your friends may not be able to answer. Analyze your situation yourself and make a wise decision. If you are genuinely on a twin flame journey, make the universe your forever companion and it will do wonders for you. And it will answer all your questions and your prayers. This journey is a divinely guided journey, and not the earthly people around you would be able to guide you, and discussing with them sometimes may also delay the process. As far as your twin flame is concerned, sharing the experiences with him too would do the same thing, as he or she too is an unawakened soul and might not be able to relate it to what is happening around you exactly. Once you both are awakened on your respective journeys at the divine timing, you may share your experiences with each other and can feel the bliss together. I know this is easier said than done, but I have seen people keeping patience and they do achieve peace, and that is what you are currently looking for, isn't it? So please be patient enough and create your path by yourself and with the help of divine guidance. And you would not regret this ever. I hope you would soon get your much awaited peace and forever love of your life. Wish you good luck with your journey. Friends, with this I would like to wrap up today's episode. Hope you have resonated with my views. Please comment about your twin flame experiences. In case you have any questions or if you wish to share your experience with me, you may comment or you may write to me at emotionsrandevous@gmail.com, and I would love to share it with our audience. Thank you so much for listening. Signing off for now. Please do like and subscribe my channel and help me spread the word. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Take care and see you in my next episode.